Okay, screen is visible to everyone. Hello.
Yes.
Okay, visible. This coding is visible.
Yes, Krunal, we are able to see.
Okay. Now, okay. Whenever I will say, you have to put you on miss mic mute also only. But whenever I will ask you question, unmute and reply me. Okay.
Sure,
So
sure.
we are continuing. So cloud computing is the most hottest tool in today's world, and cloud. What is cloud? Cloud is a service which is a service provider, and it provides the set of services like compute, storage, networking, even monitoring. These all are it is providing, and we are assessing over the internet. Those all services we are assessing over the internet with pay as you go model. Pay as you go model means first we are using, and after then we are getting a billing, and then we are paying, like our Airtel postpaid plan or any company's postpaid plan. First we are using that service, and after then we are paying. So in Azure we are going with that only. So one thing I would like to tell you, you everyone have a credit card. So you have to, your first task is to, you have to make one email ID, and then you have to register with same email ID on your Microsoft Azure portal. And I will tell you the process of that also. And then with the help of your credit card, your phone number, and your email address, we have to register for our free account, or and then we will do few practice. Okay, so this is all about our today's lecture. And now I would like to tell you that Azure is what is Azure? Azure, I'm talking about Azure only. Okay, Azure is a set of physical data center, and these are available globally. These are available globally, whole world, because all connections of that Azure data centers, they are going inside that sea level only. Okay, inside sea also, and they all are connected. Means if anytime any data center of Azure want to transmit or want to transfer a data to another data center, they not needed internet connection also, because all data centers are connected with each other with their own line. Those are going inside the sea. Okay, so that much of optic fibers they spread all over the world, and all data centers of Microsoft Azure is connected with each other. They not needed internet connection. We needed internet connection to access that resources, but their communication they can do individually. They not needed. Okay, so these are available globally, as I told you. And what are the resources and the services we are created in our Azure portal? These all are stored in our Azure physical data centers only. What is a data center? Data center means they have building, and they are making that building in one safe place where they have lots of means petabytes of hard disks, and where they are storing their all data. So what is the definition of Azure? Azure is a set of physical data center. Okay, means that all thing is physically only. So Azure is a set of physical data center, and those are available globally, because whole world, because we have region in Asia, Africa, America, everywhere. So they all are connected with each other, and whatever the resources and services we are creating in our Azure portal. Okay, so those everything we are storing in our Azure physical data center only. So which services we are using? Okay, like only like Azure portal have 200, 300 and 400 of services. But nowadays we are moving toward DevOps trend. And in DevOps, that 200 and 300 services of that Azure portal, those are not important. Only few services in DevOps is needed. Okay, like Kubernetes, Dockers, containers, virtual machine, and many more, like virtual machine storage, even your web apps, even your SQL server. So we are only interested to discuss those services in Azure portal. Okay, might be we will use our Azure portal for few days only, and after then we will completely move to our DevOps portal only. Now I am giving you the one overview of that. For that only we are discussing that, but we will mostly work with our pipeline, how to create a pipeline, what is a repository, and what is the board, then what is the artifact, and what is a test plan. Anyone from your side knew about artifact? Yes, unmute and give me the answer. Anyone from your side knows about artifact?
Yeah,
Hello?
Kunal, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are
Tell me,
using.
tell me what is artifact?
See, whatever the you just assume that we have Java application. We will test the application package, the whole code and the code base, and with the help of Maven, we place it at that in jar and var files. We will place it in an artifact folder. Let's we call it as an artifact.
Okay, okay, little bit it's okay. Okay, unmute everyone. Okay, so this is nothing but that only services as I told you, and as I told you, subscription like here, services like your virtual machine, storage account, web apps, these all are provided there. Even our Azure have a subscription, and it gives a complete information of your usage of your services. So if you are aware about that Azure portal, so always means remember to delete your resources, because if you are going toward the pay as you go model and if you are not deleting your resources or services, you will get a billing of that everything. So every day you have to do that with your lab practice. So this should be very important. And then cloud provide like how many types of cloud provider in market, like Azure, AWS, GCP, IBM, Oracle, Alibaba. So Azure is second one and AWS was is first, because it came in market before AWS. That's why Azure is second and AWS is one. But Azure have very good knowledge infrastructure, and they are going very fast in market. So within few years you will see Azure will take first position, and Azure is the cheapest also, and all services of Azure is very easy to understand, and everything is integrated in Azure. But if you will see about AWS, you have to integrate each and everything there, from Jenkins to your building tools to your test tools, everything you have to integrate. Even the study language for that AWS, that is also little bit complex one. So if you are going with AWS till now, it's okay, but future is with only Azure. Okay. So if you are moving from AWS to Azure, yeah, you are going on correct way. So first is AWS, second one is Azure, but in future Azure will be first and AWS will be second. Third is GCP, and these are our cloud service provider. And means our that Azure have two portals. Okay, one is your Azure portal and another one is your DevOps portal. So today we will see about something about our that Azure portal only, and we'll give you one demo of that DevOps portal also, and we will first will develop our all basic knowledge, and then we will jump toward a DevOps one. So is there anyone is joined again? Okay, 5 participants.
Ronald, can you just tell about yourself?
Yeah, I forgot that. So, hello everyone, myself Kunal Chandewar. I am basically from Nagpur and I completed my post graduation MTech and BTech. Even I have means 9 years of experience with Microsoft Azure Cloud because it was my MTech project topic only. So I am working in with Microsoft Azure from 2011 only, and I am Microsoft Azure AZ 900, AZ 104, and AZ 400 certified. So it's all about me. Okay.
Currently,
So
where are you
now
working?
I'm working with a Connexoft Infotech software company in Maharashtra only.
You are in Nagpur right now.
Yeah, right now I'm at my home place, Nagpur.
Oh, okay.
Apart from job, this is my one of hobby of teaching.
Okay.
Okay.
How many
Okay.
years of experience you have in teaching?
Total 7 years.
Teaching.
Seven years of teaching and 2 years with DevOps.
Okay.
Okay. So now we will go toward our next. As I told you, our Microsoft Azure have a two portal. First one is our simple portal of that Microsoft Azure, and another one is a DevOps portal. And DevOps portal that is nothing but a dev.azure.com. Okay, and we will deal with that only. And our Azure portal services, as I told you, that VM, even VM scale set, storage, networking, web apps, monitoring, even Active Directory. These all are important means services of Microsoft Azure, and we will discuss this only in our Azure portal. And mostly we will go with our DevOps portal only, as I told you. And so this link you are getting here, that portal.azure.com, this is of our Azure portal, and this link dev.azure.com, this is for our DevOps portal. And if you have account with your Azure portal, you can easily log in with your DevOps portal also. But first you need one account with your Azure portal. Okay, then if you have that, then you can easily log in here. Okay, and for creating that account on your Azure portal, most important thing you required, which is your email ID. Okay, and password. After then you need a credit card. Even you need address proof and your phone number. These four things you need to make an account on your Azure portal. First, we will make an account here, and then we can log into our DevOps Azure portal with that same credentials only. Okay. So how many of you from here have account on Azure? Hello?
Yeah.
We have
Everyone? Everyone you have?
No, Krunal,
which account?
Free account. Your Gmail.
DevOps or normal
I'm
account?
talking about only
No,
Azure portal.
portal.
How many of you don't have a Azure portal account? Don't have.
Don't.
I don't have.
Even
don't have?
I don't have Krunal because
So-
I mean, like I have already used it. My free account was done.
Okay, okay. Means out of four, two don't have and two people have account on that. And out of four, how many of you account on DevOps? Or you saw the at least the homepage of DevOps portal?
No,
I do have.
Anyone?
I don't see.
Even I
No
have
one.
seen. I've seen.
You have seen.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So you first you should have a, if you means if you are using any free account of your Microsoft Azure, okay, you can't means go for a second time with another credit card or for any another, means your your email ID should be unique and your credit card should be unique. And if you are using credit card, so for that it will deduct only 2 rupees and it will give you near about 13,500 rupees of credentials for doing a practice. So this is the best way. What is the best way for study and for laboratory? First, you should have one email ID and then registered with Microsoft Azure. And after then, we will do transaction with our credit card. So you are, if suppose one of you used one of free account, you can't go for second time. Second time you have to go with pay as you go only. If your email ID is unique, so you can go with means another credit card for making a free account. So your email ID and your credit card both should be unique. So we need these things for making our free account. And in Azure, so first I would like to tell you how to make a free account because that is important.
Krunal, I have one doubt.
Yes.
For certification, this is for what you teaching is AZ 400, no?
AZ 104 and 400, both things are included here.
No, no. If I want certification of 400, I should be having 104. Huh? It's must and should.
What, pardon?
See, right now, if you take this course, what certification will get it?
No certification you have to clear. I'm giving you the basic knowledge of AZ 400 and 104 topics are included there too. But AZ 400 certification you have to only clear and you have
Okay.
to means we are getting the one link in Microsoft Azure where we are selecting, we are making payment. We
Okay.
have to make 5,500 rupees of payment. We have
Okay.
to do to Microsoft Azure. After then we have to select our date and time, and that
Okay.
time with your personal laptop, with your personal space only you have to sit and you
Mhm.
have to do authentication of
Okay.
your that complete room authentication you have to do, means you are
Okay.
not doing cheating or you are not doing any malfunction there, and
Okay.
you have to identify yourself, and for 1.5 hour of examination that and you have to clear that examination, and all questions are very hard and very typical because you are getting few time, and questions are so complex in AZ 400. And means you have to prepare, you have to go for dumps. Okay, those are frequently asked question in AZ 400. You have to go for a dumps and many more dumps are available online. So you have to go for that, and it is possible to clear. But if anything, if anyone from you can't able to clear examination, so you don't be worry of that. I have knowledge how to clear examination. I will take a remote connection of your desktops and will help you to create means clear that examination. Don't be worry. But AZ 400 examination is not a joke. That is very hard because there on few questions is like you can't go back from that question. You have to solve that. You can't skip those questions. So means they have very good policies and very strict policies with that. Okay. So what I
No,
told
my
you,
question is to clear AZ 400, we should be certified 104 or it's not required? I'm asking.
104 is the basic.
We
104 is
should
the
clear and
basic.
then take 400.
Of course, 104, 104 is the first step,
Okay.
and then only you can go for 400. AZ
Okay.
900 is optional. That is a basic only. If you are
Okay.
done with AZ 900 or not, it's okay. But
Mhm.
104 is a first step and 400 is second.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay, so
Got it.
now I will tell you how to make a account on our that Microsoft Azure. Like I have these three accounts with Microsoft Azure. So if I want, if I have account, so I will click here. Okay, and I can able to log in. I can able to log in here. So first I will show you the dashboard of Microsoft Azure, and then I will tell you how to make an account. But first you take a look how Microsoft Azure portals look like and what is the basic things here. Okay, so this is the home page of our Microsoft Azure portal. Here you can see these three dots. Okay, this is nothing but a your menu. If you will click here, you can open your all categories. Okay, so after clicking here, if you will click here on home, you can jump to your same this home page. If you will click here, so these are your resources, these are your services, and everything is, those are favorites, those are favorites by default, those are favorites by default. Those services you will get here. Okay, even this one is the cloud shell. Okay, I will tell you about this later. First, we will discuss this. Okay, because this one is a means not a basic one. So this second option and this fourth option will give you the same content. See, this second option is nothing but for your portal setting, and this fourth option will give you the same only. This fourth one and this second one, these both are same. Okay, and what we are getting here, see, our directory and our subscription. Like if I'm clicking here, directory plus subscription, so you will get the details of my subscription. Like my subscription domain is Kunal CU, and my directory ID is this one. Okay, so this is giving you the details of your subscription. Second one is appearance and startup view. If you will click here, appearance and static view. So these are by default selected like this. Okay, if you want to change to docket view, if you don't like this theme color, if you want dark color, you will click here on dark. Okay, and you will click here, and after then you will say here to apply. So this, see, appearance of our that window is changed. Okay, so you are doing this everything from here only. This second one is for a appearance. Okay, first one is for a showing your subscription. Second one is for a appearance. Third one is for a language. Like if you will select language this, okay, and if you will see apply and then okay, most of the means 95% content of your that portal is changed with that language. See, see, whole languages that is changed. So I knew where to click and how should we take it back. So we will go here, we will select English and we will apply. So we will get our language back. So this is nothing but the basic, and everyone should know before that. Even my information, here you will get information of your email ID and this. And if you will click here, you will sign out. So your second option and your fourth option is the same. And what is this one? This is for a notification. Like I also made my subscription with one credit card. And when you are doing that subscription, that is a free trial account, you are getting 14,500, and this 14,500 I got because today only I made one transaction with my another credit card. So I have 2 3 4 credit cards, so I did with one another, and then another email ID I got this 14,500, and we will finish this 14,500 while doing practical here only. Okay, so this much you will get. Even if you are deleting any resource, if you are creating any resource, all notification you will get here. If you are stopping any resource or you are doing anything, all notification you will get here only. This is for a notification. This second and fourth one is the same. This is a help desk. What is help desk? If you will click here on help desk, and if you have any problem, like before few days, 2 months, I made one account and I forgot to delete resources, and I got a billing of 15,000. And then I contact to Microsoft Azure and I said, I'm a student. While doing practice, I forgot to delete my resources and I got a billing of that 14 and 15,000. So please help me. And they clear my that 14 and 15,000 rupees of resources. Means they clear that my money. I not paid. I not paid to Microsoft Azure that 14,000 and 15,000 because I registered my complaint. That complaint is about billing. It is possible while making any resource or while making any virtual machine or while making any storage or while doing anything, you will get a problem. If you are getting any problem, so go and ask the Azure community. Click here and ask the Azure community, this is my problem and help me to resolve my this problem. Okay, even few frequently asked questions you will get here. Even few discussions, those are listed there. So you will get here. And this is portal is for help and support. And hence all. So in our help and support, we are getting this much only. So if you have any type of trouble, if you have any type of complaint, so you do. You are getting here help plus support. So this is one another window. This is a community. This is a frequently asked question. Okay, these are but this help plus support, this is a one another console. Okay, you have to click here plus help plus support. After clicking here help and support, you will get here this window, and here what we can do, we can create a support request. Okay, few time you have to do this one only, like one of from your side, he want to make a free account but he can't able to do that thing because he don't have knowledge. So do what thing, you come here and say create a support request, create one request. Okay, and after then type your problem, like means you are typing here, I need help to create DevOps subscription. Okay, and after then select this issue. Okay, and then you are getting here again few windows, then select those also and go toward next. Why I'm telling you this, because you will get a direct call from United States or any of its branch which is nearby to India, and those are providing the help and support. Okay, you will direct get a call on your mobile number, and they will navigate you how to resolve your problem. So for that you have to do this, and you have to create that one issue. Okay, even you have to fill your dates here, and then again click next and then create that issue. And after then they will call you and they will say go to your this one, and here is also one quick assess. Okay, you are getting here quick assist, they will say click here. Okay, quick assist. And after then, after clicking here on quick assist, here code is demanding. Okay, they will say you code, you will type that code here, and then you will click to share your screen, and that Microsoft Azure team will see your screen and will sort out your all problem, and they will say click here, do this, that one, this one, and they will solve your all issues very easily. Only you have to enter here code, and they will tell you each and everything. So this is nothing but a dashboard. Second and fourth one is for setting. This is for notification. This is for help, which we needed from Microsoft or community or anything. And this is our account only. If you want to give a feedback, like after doing few work, if anyone from your side, he did few work and he observed virtual machine should have this function, or this app service section should have this content. So suggest here, type here, give details that virtual machine should have this option and this one, and submit it. So Microsoft Azure team will get that feedback and they will contact you and they will update in future. And Microsoft Azure portals are always updated before you are going with the classical version of Microsoft Azure portal, and that portal is looking somewhat completely different. And now we are working on a different portal. Old days where I also work, that is nothing but a classic portal. And this is your subscription here. As I have another again two account, I can directly switch here also, and you are getting here information. So these are the this one, and this is a search box. Whatever thing you want, like if you are writing here Krunal, okay, if you're writing here Kunal, press enter. If whatever data, whatever any type of resource is created with Krunal name, you will get that resource. Or if you made any service with Krunal, if I made this account today only, na, that's why I not made any. So that's why you are not getting here. But I remember I made one service with the help of VM1. So if I will search, see, VM1 I search, because today only morning I did one practice of lab, and you will get that. Okay, if you are writing here virtual machine, you will get that service. See here, virtual machine. For this virtual machine, you can go directly from here. Even you can press here, and then you will get a option here also. See, here also you are getting one option of virtual machine. Here also, here also you are getting a virtual machine option. Even if you are searching here, either you will get any type of service or you will get any type of resources which you made. These all are services. Those are embedded in Microsoft. So if you are searching anything, first you will get that name of service, whatever you are searching, or whatever resources you made with that name, then you are getting, or any type of other documents. Those are available with the Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure have few study contents. If that is there, so you will get that one. So anything you can search and you will get that easily. So this is our top, and which we studied very well. Now I would like to tell you what is this. This is nothing but a cloud shell. Okay. First, I would like to tell you how to make a account. Okay. So first, go to Google. First, go to Google. After then, write down here Azure. Then write down here Azure portal. Okay. After then, you are getting your first link. Okay. Click that. As I have account, if I will click here, I will log in. But I am a new user and I want to create an account. So I will click use another account, and your email ID. First, you have to type here either your Rediff email ID, Yahoo email ID, or your Gmail email ID. Whatever your email ID, you have to type here. Like I have one email ID. So Kunal underscore rediffmail.com. So I will type here, but first I will create that. Okay, create one. Click on create one and create a new account. And then write down that email ID, or you can write phone number also. No, my that email ID is also already used. So I will directly log in because I have already.
No.
So I'm telling you what you have to do. On Google, first you have to search Azure portal. Okay. After then your email ID you include there, make a Microsoft Azure account, and after then you have to give details of your credit card and everything, and you can easily go there. Even I will share that link. I have one link how to make a. Okay, I will share that link in your Webson ID only. And while watching that link, you can easily make your account on Microsoft Azure portal. I shared here only. I'm checking that one. Mm, yeah. Create free Microsoft Azure. Yeah, this one. This link I want only. This is our portal. Okay. So if you will go this, after going to that link, that will tell you this one. Play this video. Play this video, and they will tell you how to make a Azure portal account. Have a look on this for 5 minutes. Everyone getting voice?
No, Krunal, we are not getting the audio of it, but yeah,
You are not getting audio?
no, we are not getting
Okay,
audio.
okay. I'm giving you the audio. Okay. So first you have to click on here, start free. Okay. And when you will click here on start free, Then you have to type your email ID here. If you want to create account, so you will click on use another account, and then you are typing your that email ID here, which you have to make an account. Then create a password. And then define your place. Or might be this option will not ask you. If they are asking, then go for this one. And then you will get a verification on your email. So copy that verification code from your email ID and paste here and verify that. And then next, and then write down this captcha. No need to do space, write down in continue. Because few people are thinking first and then space second. No, write down in continue. Then it will ask about your details. Now we are making a Azure account. First, we are making a Azure account. Because first we have to make Azure account, then only we can log in and we can register for that. So give your details. And if you are not giving VAT, it's okay. That is not compulsory. Then give your phone number and say text me and then verify. These all windows you will get there. This one is most important. You have to give data of your credit card. Write down your card number, expiry date. Write down everything and click on next. Important thing is you need a credit card account. Without credit card account, you can't. If you are doing with Visa, you will not get direct. You will be pay as you go model.
Yeah, you told visa. What is it? Visa? You told?
And then verify this everything. And after then clicking on this to check picture, click on sign up.
Kunal, with this same credentials, we will again Azure DevOps and Azure Portal same also.
Yeah. Azure DevOps. First, you have to go for Azure portal and same credential we will fill up in Azure DevOps.
Okay.
After clicking on sign up, that will validate your account. And you will get $200, means 14,000 rupees approximately. And you can use that only for 30 days. Okay, so this is done. Then you are getting this window, which I told you I have. Okay, so now we are going toward my window only. So this window I got. And as I told you, what we are using for this one. What is left? Left one is a this portion. What is this? This is a cloud shell. Anyone from your side tell me about this cloud shell? Anyone?
It is a command-based tool to work on cloud platform.
Correct. We, if you have script, okay, we have two types of script, either PowerShell or shell script. Okay, and PowerShell or shell script, if you want to run shell script, we are also calling it as a bash. PowerScript is on related to Windows, and this bash is related to Linux, and this bash is also we are calling it as a shell script. Okay, when you will click here, he will first ask you have to go with bash or you have to go with PowerShell. Okay, so I'm saying I have to go with a PowerShell. Okay, so after clicking on PowerShell, what he is doing, you have a no storage mounted. Okay, because this is my new account, I not made anything here. So first, before running that PowerShell, first he will create one storage account. For what? Means whatever command I will run or I will play here in this PowerShell or in that bash, that is a shell script I'll always call. So that all commands and that all inputs and output will store in that storage. For that, we have to create a storage account. If I will click here, create a storage. So now in notification, you will see one storage is going to be created, and you will get that soon. So with the help of this cloud shell, what we can do, either we can run our PowerShell script or I can run my shell script. Okay, so all I will tell you later. I'm only giving you the basic how to do this. If you want to run PowerShell command, you can run here. Okay. Now that is loading because first time it is open now. So this is my account. That's why in you are getting my name here, Krunal, and now I can run my PowerShell command here. If you want to change, if you want to change, like from you are interested to run shell script, and shell script we are running a this bash, so click here bash. Okay, and say confirm. So now your bash, that is a shell script, is initializing. Okay, and now you can run here your Linux commands. See, now here you are getting dollar, which you are getting in Linux. So now I can run my that shell scripts here. If you have any shell script in your computer and if you want to import that, what you will do? You will click here, open a new. No, this is for new session. This is for upload or for download. You have to click here and upload a file. Okay, and if you store that shell script here, so click here, and that shell script you will get in your that command line prompt. This everything we will learn in next steps. Okay, so I want to tell you that this is nothing but a cloud shell, and with the cloud shell we are running either bash or PowerShell. What is this bash and what is this PowerShell? This is a command line. This is a shell scripting. Okay, those are commands we are writing here. Means if you are in Windows, no need to go for your Linux operating system or no need to go for any Linux server. Only and only by clicking in this cloud shell, by selecting this bash, you can run your Linux command, because this is a window, but still you can run your Linux command because we have an option of that with this PowerShell. So this is nothing but a PowerShell. Okay. So now I'm exiting it, and this is my subscription. So we discussed this everything. Now I will show you the dashboard of, and hello, tomorrow I will check your means a credit card subscription. And how I will check? Everyone will share a screen with me. Okay, first you will make your one email ID, then you will make a Microsoft account with that email ID. Then you will do that all process which I show you in that video. And then after coming to this page, I will tell you to click on subscription. Okay, and if anyone from you is using that before, so I will get here disable. My account is active, means I can do or I can use that 14,500 of fun here. And if you did practice and if you have that same user ID and password, okay, but you are not using from 2 3 months, I will get here option of disable. So go with new email ID and go with the new credit card, but I will check in everyone's system if I'm getting here active or not. Okay, so I will check this tomorrow. First, I will check and then we will go for a lecture. I want everyone's account here active. So these things we will do tomorrow. And we are checking our subscription with the help of this. And virtual machine, everyone knows that. So now we are going towards our that notes only.
Krunal,
Yes.
what is subscriptions in Azure?
Subscription, yeah. Subscription means as Azure is providing two types of subscription. One is free trial and one is pay as you go. Pay as you go means, as I told you, Airtel postpaid, we are first calling and we are first using internet and then we are getting billing. So that is a pay as you go model. And in subscription in our Microsoft Azure, we have that either pay as you go model, but those are working actually in company, though those are using that pay as you go model. But you all are now my students, so we will do practice, because many of you will not delete the resources and will remain it means active only. And tomorrow when you will log in and you will see, and you will say, my god, where is my 1000 rupees? So that 1000 rupees is deducted because you not deleted your resources. So that is nothing but a free trial, as I told you, no, just now. Means I have this, I made this account today only with another email ID and with another credit card. And because of that, how much I got here? 14,500 rupees of credit I got from Microsoft Azure. And for that, Microsoft charged me rupees 2. And that 2 rupees I will get a refund also after 1 month. This 14,500 rupees of credit I will use for complete 1 month. And after then, my account, means this subscription, which is now active, that will be disabled, or that will be disabled. So these are nothing but a subscription. Azure providing two types of subscription. One is a free trial. See, what is the name of this subscription? This is a free trial. And if you are working in company and if you are means using all resources and then you are paying, so you are on pay as you go model. You are on pay as you go model. Now this subscription is a this one only. So our next topic is as I told you, we need email ID, credit card, and address. Then two types of subscription, as I told you, just your question. One is a free subscription where you will get $200 USD and approximate 14,000 rupees you will get. And another is nothing but the pay as you go model. So what is that? What are the things or services you created and you used? Okay, you need to pay for that all service cost. You will get a billing of that and you have to pay. If you are not paying, your account will be disabled. or they will directly cut from your that authenticated credit card. Many more my students, those created their all services and they forgot, and with their credit card, Microsoft Azure deducted 10,000, 15,000. Uh, so if you are doing that mistake, as I told you in help and support only, okay now, I told you na, in help and support, go to go toward this help and support, and where is that? Yeah, this one. Go to here. If you are getting, if you forgot to delete, and if you are getting a huge bill after my class, okay, or in my class only, go to this help and support, create that request, and they will call you and they will clear your that money, because you are a student and via doing practice you did that mistake, so they will forgive you. No need to worry. Okay, so this is about our subscription, and how to sign up to Azure portal. As I told you that video, that is the way how to sign up to your Azure portal. And search bar, as I told you, na, in search bar, whatever name you will type here in search bar, if you are typing anything, so first they will show you if anything is related to Microsoft with that service name. No, with VM1, there is no any type of service in Microsoft. There is no any inbuilt type of service in Microsoft. This VM1 I made, so he showed me in resources. Even study material you will get here with that same name. So if you have anything, you search here in search bar, you will get all information of that. No need to be worried. And then Cloud Shell, as I just told you, Cloud Shell, by using the Cloud Shell, we can able to run the PowerShell and Bash. Bash means shell script. And this note I shared with your that Webson site only. So you will get this from that. That is a Word document. Now I am using here Visual Studio. Visual Studio Code I'm using, and that's why you are getting a look of this like that. But if you will, whatever means your company that Webson, they don't have their Visual Studio Code, so that's why I copied in that Word document. So what you have to do, copy that Word document and paste into that your Visual Studio Code, and you will get this type of visualization there, because Visual Studio Code is very good for representation and for understanding. Okay, so where we that Cloud Shell for what you are using, for example, for